So right now, I want to explain this topic again, which is about ordering fractions. Okay,
Okay.
good. So read this for me. It says arrange in descending order. Read it. Let me hear.
Mm,
Yeah, let me hear you. Arrange in descending order. Say that.
arrange in descending order.
And what does that mean? Look at it here. Look at what it means.
Biggest to smallest.
Biggest to smallest. So you can't just look at these fractions and begin to say this one is the biggest or this one is the smallest, okay?
Okay.
So what you need to do in order to arrange them from smallest to biggest, or let us say we'll consider some numbers like this. Pronounce this
Okay.
number. We have 3, 26.
3, 26, 35, 110, 27, 300.
So in ascending order rather, you want to
Mm-hmm.
arrange from smallest to biggest means smallest one. So 1, 3, 10, 25, 27, 35, and 300. And in descending order, you want to arrange them from the biggest to the smallest, okay?
Okay.
From what to what? From the biggest
From
to what?
biggest to smallest.
To the smallest. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Let me see. I I was thinking it's recording you. Then trying to. Where is your video? Your video is not there. So, yeah, your video is not there, Fikayo. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Fikayo?
Hello.
Use your video. Use your video and concentrate. Concentrate. Okay. Let me tell you something. Do you know it's not funny that you could not do your work?
I am.
You know it's not funny you could
I
not
just
do.
want to go get water.
Hello, hello. You know it's not funny that you didn't do your assignment, right?
I did.
You didn't do it. You only copied whatever you want to copy. And this is because you don't understand it. If you will not listen, how do you want to understand it, Fikayo? Okay?
Okay.
uh So you have to listen first. You have to concentrate. Now look at it. Smallest to biggest is ascending order, and biggest to smallest is descending order.
It's
Is that clear?
descending order.
Now,
Yes, sir.
if we look at the question we were given, like this question, to arrange in descending order, which is biggest to smallest, the first one, and the second one, ascending order. Now, what we need to do is to compare all of the fractions and give them a common denominator. Compare all the fractions and give them what? Common denominator. Give them what?
Common denominator.
Yeah, how do we do that? How can we do that? All we can do is to consider all of the denominators.
Okay.
Mention all the denominators.
9, 12, 6, 18, and 3.
Good. Which one is the biggest among them?
Uh, 12.
Is 12 bigger than 18?
Oh, no, 18.
Good. Now, we cannot use 18. If all of the remaining numbers, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
If all the remaining numbers can divide 18, then we'll use 18. But look at it 9, 6, and 3 will divide 18, 12 would not. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's why we have to go for the next multiple of 18. So, what is the next multiple of 18? Just add 18 plus 18 and tell me your answer.
18 plus 18 is 19.
No, 18 plus 18.
Okay, let me think.
18 plus 18. That is 36. You add 18 to another
36.
18, that's 36. So that's where this 36 came from. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So in your own assignment or classwork that you're going to do right now, consider all the denominators. If the biggest one, if the remaining ones can divide the biggest one, use that as the common denominator. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
But if it cannot, then you look for the multiple of the biggest number until the rest can divide. So now, I will say, how many 9 can go in 36? That's 4, okay?
Okay.
Then 4 times 4 gives me 16. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then what's the next one? After 9, what's the next one?
Uh, the next one is 12.
So how many 12 in 36? 12 times what will give me 36? That is 12 times 3.
Uh,
Okay? So,
okay.
so how many 12 in 36? That's 3. What is 3 times 9? It gives us what?
3.
Look at the screen. It's already on the screen. Just look at the screen, okay?
Okay.
So 12 in 36 is 3. 3 times 9 gives us what?
12 times 9
Wait,
gives
wait,
us.
wait, wait. You're not concentrating. 12 in 36 gives us 3. 3 times 9
Mm-hmm.
gives us what? I'm showing you the
Mm,
answer. Just mention it.
26.
What?
I mean 27.
Now, what's the next one after 12? What do you call it?
Uh, 6.
So how many 6 in
And
36? That is 6. 6 times 5 gives us what?
6 times 5
I'm showing you the answer
equals
already. I'm
30.
showing you. Now, how many 18 is in 36? That's 2. 2 times 3 gives us what?
6.
And the next one is what? 3. How many 3 is in 36? That's 12. 12 times 1 gives us what?
12.
Now, let me start all over because this is now what we're going to use to arrange them. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So, what am I considering? All the denominators. What's the first denominator?
The first denominator is 9.
So, how many 9 in 36? That's 4. 4 times 4 gives us what?
4 times 4 gives us
The answer is here. I just want you to talk.
16.
Then the next number is 12. 12 in 36 is 3. 3 times 9 gives us what?
27.
Then the next number is 6. 6 in 36 is 6. 6 times 5 gives us what?
30.
You are going to explain all of them to me, but I will explain again after this so that you will explain the fourth time to me. 18 in 36 is 2. 2 times 3 gives us what?
2 times 3 making is 6.
Okay. 3 in 36 is 12. 12 times 1 gives us what?
Gives us 2.
12, 12, 12. Now listen
12.
again. Now listen again. We wanted to arrange all of these numbers from biggest to smallest, but we don't know which one. So we needed a common denominator. We needed what?
A common denominator.
How can we get that? We'll look for the biggest number. What's the biggest among the denominator?
The biggest is
It's here. It's here. Just look at the screen and talk.
18.
So did we use 18 here? Did we
Yes.
use 18 here? Is this 18?
No.
Eh. So why didn't we use 18? Because all the rest cannot divide 18, okay?
Okay.
It's only 9, 6, and 3 that can divide 18. 12 cannot. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Had it been 12 can, then we will use 18, okay?
Okay.
But did we use 18?
No, we didn't.
Aha, so we look for the next multiple of 18. What is the next multiple of 18, which is 18 plus 18? What did it give us here?
It will give us
You can see the answers here.
36.
36. So where did 36 came from? It comes from the
36
multiple
came
of
from
18,
18.
which is 18 plus 18, right? And why did we use 36? We use 36 because all the rest of the numbers can divide 36, okay?
Okay.
Why did we use 36 again? Because all the rest remaining numbers can divide 36. So how many 9 is in 36? That's 4. Again, how many 9 in 36?
That's 4.
4 times 4 gives us what?
16.
How many 12 in 36? That's 3. Again, how many 12 is in 36?
That's 3.
3 times 9 gives us what?
3 times 9 equals, and it gives us 27.
Good. How many 6 is in 36? That's 6. So again, how many 6 is in 36?
That's 6.
6 times 5 gives us what?
6 times 5 gives us 30.
How many 18 in 36? That's 2. Again, how many 18 in 36?
That's 2.
2 times 3 gives us what?
2 times 3 gives us 6.
Are you getting it now?
Yes, sir.
That's the way you're going to do the one I asked you to do. So 3 in 36 is 12. Again, 3 in 36 is what?
12.
What is 12 times 1 then?
12 times 1. 1 times 3 equals 12.
That's 12 times 1, okay?
Okay.
Now, which of the numbers here, which of them is the biggest? Which of this number? Look at the screen. Pronounce all these numbers for me, yes? What's the first one? You're not concentrating again? Okay, you're there. Pronounce this number for me.
16, 27, 36, and 12.
So which one is the biggest?
30.
So which fraction did it represent?
5, 5 times 6.
5 over 6. So now
5 over 6.
did you know why 5 over 6 is the biggest now, right?
Yes.
Then which followed by which one? After 30 is which one?
Followed by
I'm showing you already.
27.
So which fraction did that represent?
9 over 12.
Then you can see that's the one that followed. So after 27 should be what? 16, right? And that's what? Which fraction?
4 over 9.
And the next one is 12. Which fraction?
1 over 3.
The smallest number is 6. So which fraction is smallest?
3 over 18.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
That is the method you're going to use, but let's look at the second one first before I say you should do that one. So let's look at the second one.
Can I use a restroom break?
Oh man. Okay, wait. Go and quickly come back, okay? Because I want you to get this.
Okay.
Just keep up the faith. Trust in their love. Amen. Oh, trust in their love. Over the world. There's none like you.
I'm back.
Okay, then we have to continue. Okay. Now, do you still remember the explanation I gave for the first one?
Yes.
Okay, can you explain to me now? How did we get 36?
We got 36 from 18.
Good. Why didn't we use 18 as the common denominator? You know, 18 is one of the denominators, right? And it's the biggest.
Yes. Yes.
So we could have used 18. Why didn't we use 18?
We didn't use 18 because 18 is already inside of 36.
No way. We didn't use 18 because, we're looking for a number that all the rest will divide, okay?
Mm-hmm.
But 12, 6, and 3 will divide 18, while 9 will not. I mean, 9, 6, and 3 will divide 18, but 12 will not divide 18 perfectly well, okay? So we now go for the next multiple of 18, which is 36. Now all of them can divide 36, okay?
Okay.
How did we get 16?
We got 16 because it was divided
By what?
into two groups.
No, no. We use 9 to divide 36. How many 9 is in 36? That's 4. Okay?
Okay.
Then 4 times 4 is 16. Do you understand how I got 16 now?
Yes.
Now, how did we get 27?
The same reason how we got 16.
Yeah, explain it.
So we got 27 because 9
Not
and
9,
12,
not 9. This is
I
12.
mean 12
In
and 36
is what? That's
is
3. And 3
that's
times
312
and 3 times what?
and 3 times 9
Gives us
is
what?
27.
Okay, how did we get 30?
Oh, it's because 6, how many 6 were in there was 1 6, and then uh, and 5 we got it by because there's only 130 inside of the
Wait, wait, wait,
36.
wait. That's not. How many 6 is in 36? That is 6. Then 6 times 5 gives us 30. Explain that again, yes?
Okay. How so the how many 6 is in 30 is 6
Is in
6
36.
and
36, okay.
it's 36.
That is 6, okay. Then you
Mhm.
multiply it by 5 to get 30. Is that clear?
And
How
okay.
did we get 6?
We got it from 36.
And how did we get it? We used what?
Well, from the 18, there's two 18s inside of the 36, and then we take the 3, and then there's only three threes inside of the 36.
Wait a
So
minute,
then
wait a
after,
minute, wait a minute. 218 inside 36, you get that right, okay?
yes,
Now, that 2 times 3 gives us 6, okay?
okay.
How did we get 12?
Mm, We got 12, so there's three threes inside of
No, not 3 threes,
36.
12 threes inside 36. Because
Oh,
how many 3 in
there's
36?
12 threes. There's 12 threes inside of 36,
Then we
and
multiply
there's
by 1.
only
We multiply it by 1, okay?
and then you get 12.
Okay, can you explain from the beginning now? How did we get 16? Yeah? How did we get 16? Try again now, okay? Okay. Why did you put off your video? Eh? I'm waiting for you to put it on now, 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 now. Okay? If you like it or not, you're going to explain this to me, Fikayo. So I'm waiting for you. Okay. So, how did you get 16?
We got 16 um from the 9 because inside of 36 there is 9 there is
There is four
3
nine, four
nines,
nines.
4 nines,
Then the 4
and then
times the
there's
4.
4, and then we got 16.
Okay, how did you get 27 again?
We got 27 from 12. So
Okay.
because there is only
3 12s in 36.
3 12s inside of
That 3
36,
times
and
what?
9
3 times what?
and 3 times 9 equals 27.
Okay, how did you get 30?
We got 30 from 6 because there is 6 inside of 36,
Then
and
6
we
times
got
5.
and 5 times 6 equals 30.
How did you get 6?
We got 6 because in 18
No,
there is like
in
uh
18 in 36.
because there's no 18 and
No, just
36.
two 18s in
There's
36.
two 18s and 36, and
Then you
3
multiply it by
times
3.
18 equals 6,
No,
and 3 times 2 equals 6.
good. How did you get 12?
We got 12 because there is 3 threes in
No,
36.
not 3 threes, 12 threes.
There's 12 threes in
Then we
36,
multiply
and
it by 1.
1 times 3
1
equals
times 12.
12.
1 times 12.
1 times 12 equals 12.
Okay. Then, how did we arrange all of the fractions? What did we do to make us arrange them from biggest to smallest? Yeah.
So the biggest one out of all of them is
Is what? How did we know this is the biggest? How did we know? How did we know this is the biggest? We checked all of these
because
numerators and we picked the biggest, then we picked the fraction that align with it. So, how did we know this is the biggest? Again,
um
we checked all the numerators, okay? And we
okay.
pick the biggest number, then we pick the fraction that stand in for it. Okay, again, how did we get the biggest fraction?
Um we got it
From all
30
these yeah, from 30.
from all of them.
Yeah, because we looked at how big they are and we used it to arrange the fraction. Okay, let's go to the second one. Okay,
Okay.
now the second one, we want to arrange from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, look at all of the
Okay.
denominators. Pronounce all the denominators for me.
Um
Yeah, look at this.
I can't really see it.
This is 10.
It's too small.
It's not too small. This is 10, okay?
What do you mean it's too small?
It's not too small. Say 10.
I can't even see anything.
This girl. Are you ready now?
Yes.
So pronounce all the denominators for me so that we can move on.
Actually, it's so small. The only thing that's big is your screen.
Hmm.
I can't see anything.
Look at
I
the
can
one I'm
only see.
showing you. This is what I'm showing you. Look at it. You will see it in your video you're recording, okay? You will see it. Now, look at this. You know your time is going, right?
Yes, I
Mm-hmm.
know. I'm not lucky.
Mm-hmm. You know what you're doing. So pronounce all the denominators for me. Fast, 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 fast.
16?
Where do you see 16? Where is the 16?
Right there.
Right there. Yeah. What's the next one?
5.
So you could see 5. Now you did not see 10, right? Okay. What's the
Uh,
next? What's the next one?
20.
And the next one?
15.
And the last one?
20.
So we could have picked 20 as our common denominator, but did we pick 20? Did we pick 20 as our common denominator?
No.
Okay. Why didn't we pick 20? Because even if 10, 5, and 20 can divide 20, will 15 divide 20? That's no. So we'll go for the next multiple of 20. What's the next multiple of 20? 20 plus
Uh,
20.
20 plus 20 is 30.
No, 40.
40.
So 15 will not divide 40 again. We'll go for the next multiple, which is what? 40 plus 20 will give us what?
40 plus 20 gives us
Just say 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2.
60.
Yeah, that's 60. So that's why we use 60. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then we say how many 10 is in 60? That is 6. 6 times 7 gives us what? Look here.
60 times
No,
7
I did not say 60 times
gives
7. Wait. 10 in 60 is 6. 6 times 7 gives us what? Look at the screen. I'm showing
uh,
you.
I'm looking.
Okay, okay. So 10 in 60 is 6. 6 times 7 gives us what?
6 times 7 gives us
I'm showing you already. You don't see it on the screen. Just give me the number. That's all,
uh 9.
my friend. What's the number you're seeing? Is this not 42?
42.
Okay, okay. So 10 in 60 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Say that. 10 in 60 is 6. 6 times 7 is what?
6 times 7 is I don't know. I mean
You
6
see it
times
now. Just give me the answer you're seeing on the screen. That's all.
42.
Again, 10 in 60 is 6. 6 times 7 gives us what?
42.
Now, 5 in 60 is 12. 12 times 6 gives us what? Look at it.
20 times
I mean, 20 times 2, 12 times 2 rather gives us what?
uh 20 times 2
12
gives
times
us
2, 12 times 2 gives us what? You can see this. You just give me the number, so we'll move on. Just give me the number you're seeing on the screen.
okay. Gives us 24.
Then 20 in 60 is 3. 3 times 9 gives us what? Look here.
3
Focus.
times 9
Just focus on the screen and be giving me the responses from the screen so we can move on.
gives us 27.
Then 15 in 60. Look here. Look at the way I'm showing you. You're the one I'm showing. 15 in 60 is 4. 4 times 5 gives us what?
4 times 5 gives us 20.
Then 20 in 60 is 3. 3 times 10 gives us what?
3 times 10 gives us 30.
Now let's start again. 10 in 60 is 6. 6 times 7 gives us what?
42.
5 in 60 is 12. 12 times 2 gives us what?
24.
20 in 60 is 3. 3 times 9 gives us what?
27.
And 15 in 60 is 4. 4 times 5 gives us what?
20.
Then 20 in 60 is 10. 10 times 3 gives us what?
30.
And I mean, what did I just say? 20 in 60 is 3. 3 times 10 gives us what?
Gives us
All right. So I want you to concentrate now. Come closer and let's get going. Is that clear?
Okay.
So let us
I can
explain.
read 7 times.
Wait, forget it. Let's just concentrate. Now, look at this. Look at all the fractions, right?
Uh-huh.
Pronounce the fraction for me. 7 over 10. Then which one? Pronounce it, yeah.
7/10. 3/5.
What do you call it? 2 over 5, yeah. Next one.
2/.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hmm? Can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me first before I accept your recording. Hello? Oh, I think that was an interruption in the network. Okay, this thing is gonna come up. Let's see. All right. So can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, I think let's get going, okay?
Okay.
So I was saying something, I said you should pronounce all of the fractions, right?
Uh-huh.
So what's the first fraction? 7 over 10. Say that.
7/10.
The next one,
Uh
look at it and tell me. 2 over 5.
2/5.
Next one,
The next one is
9 over 20.
four
Don't waste time.
over
9 over 20. Don't waste time.
20.
9 over 20. Next one.
Oh, 9/20.
Next one.
5/15.
And the last one.
10/20.
Now, look at this. We want to find a common denominator. 20 is the biggest number, but 15 cannot divide 20. So we'll go for multiple of 20. 40. Can we use 40? No, because 15 won't divide it. Then can we use 60?
30.
We use 60,
30.
okay? 30 is not a multiple of 20. Is that clear?
Okay.
Multiple of 20 is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and so on. So we pick 60. All of them will divide 60. That's why we stop on 60. How many 10 is in 60? That is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. How many 5 is in 60? That is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. How many 20 is in 60? That is 3. 3 times 9 is what?
Oh,
3 times 9 gives us what?
27.
Then how many 15 is in 60? That's 4. 4 times 5 gives us what?
4 times 5 is 20.
Then 20 in 60 is 3. 3 times 10 gives us what?
30.
Now, how did we now know? How did we know the biggest fraction? We said the biggest fraction is 5 over 12. Why? 5 over 15.
Come on, my
5.
mom's calling me.
Okay. I mean, the biggest is 7 over 10 rather, not 5. Do quick. I'm waiting for you. Are you back?
Yeah, my mom
So,
just wanted to ask me if I was done.
okay, 5 over 12 is the smallest, rather. So, how did we know 5 over 12 is the smallest? Can you explain? How did we know 5 over 12 is smallest?
5 over 10 is the smallest
5 over 12, yeah,
because of 12.
not because of 12. I said 5 over 15, rather, not 5 over 12. 5 over 15, how did we know is the smallest? We considered all of these numbers and we picked the smallest. So, what's the smallest among these numbers?
The smallest among these numbers is 20.
So, which fraction stands for 20? This is number 4. Which fraction is number 4?
Uh,
5 over
5 over
15. And
15.
that's why. So, which one is the next after 20? That's 24. So, which fraction standing for 24?
5 over
2,
3.
2 over 5, 2 over 5. Then
2 over 5.
the next is 27, which is which fraction?
4 over 20.
Where did you see 4 over 20? 9 over
It's
20.
literally, I mean, 9 over 20.
Then after 27 is 30. Which fraction stands for that?
Which fraction starts for what?
For 30. That's 10 over 20.
So,
Then
10
then
over
the
20.
biggest is 42. So which fraction standing for 42? That's 7 over 10. Okay.
Okay.
I would advise you to watch the video again. Watch the first video. Watch this second video. Is that clear?
Okay.
Then you will be able to do the assignment by yourself. Okay. Is that clear?
Okay.
And that is what we'll be rounding up for today. Hmm? No, not just watching it right now. Make sure you watch it when anywhere you are going. You take it along and start watching. Okay. You must. Yeah, I can see it. I can see. So you must be able to do your assignment by yourself. Okay.
Okay.
So that's what we'll be running up for today. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye for now.
See you next time.
That will be on.
Bye.